Alright, so welcome back to CAD Design, another tutorial. Today's day, this is the special bearing device. I would like to explain with modeling with sketch. So let's jump into the main video. Alright, so this is our main special bearing 3D model. So now it is dimensioning, explain all the things. So here is extruded car. Their arcs is 70 millimeter and their thickness 5 millimeter. Length is 75 millimeter and their thickness 25 millimeter and their ribs is 20 millimeter. This is top of hole. Its radius is 25 diameter and outer radius is 25 millimeter and their outer to their hole center is in between diameter length is 100 millimeter and their simply arc is radius is 50 millimeter. It is extruded boss base is 30 millimeter. So now it is their extruded cut and length is 75 millimeter, 100 millimeter to center to circle between the side line and width is 100 millimeter and now rib is 20 millimeter and their top of body is 30 millimeter extruded boss base and their total number of ribs 3. Alright, their section view, their top of view, isometric view. So first sketch the line and mid line whose diameter is length 100 millimeter and after that it is offset 50 millimeter and create all others portion. So now it is now click part I like plain white. Select top plane. $100 millimeter. Now it is 100 millimeter. After the offset is 50 millimeter. But make sure bidirectional. It is check mark. Make sure. And then click line. Again click line. Yes. Again click circle. Make sure dimension 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter. And outer circle is 50 millimeter, which is radius is 25 millimeter. So now it is.
Mama, कॉल करिए
50 millimeter. Center point arc. Now click center point arc. Alright. Now just make sure extruded boss base. Direction to downward. 25 millimeter. Again click extruded boss base. Our direction is upward. This is looking good. Now it is 55 millimeter. Because our thickness, it is this portion is upward to 30 millimeter, and this is 25 millimeter. That's me. It is both are include 55 millimeter. Now is this main body, top plane, and make sure line, make sure dimension 20 millimeter, because our rip is 20 millimeter. So now it is offset. Offset is 6 millimeter. Now it is 6 millimeter. Again click line, click OK. Make sure this portion and click the convert entities. Yes, it is advanced tool. Now extend. Extend OK. Now click trim. And now is it split line. Already case is detected. Now it is selection face, because this case throw to our surface, this surface. Okay, click OK. Now it is. Now simply click lofted boss base. No problem. Make sure it's case lofted boss base. Now it is. Yes, it is advanced command. Lofted boss base. Now make sure circular linear pattern. Piece space. Okay, alright. So there are 3 types. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 types. Okay. Now make sure extruded cut. It is length is 47.58. Now case 3-point arc. Make sure dimension. Five millimeter. 47.58. Now arc radius 70 millimeter. Okay, that okay. Now click OK. Now it is perfect. Now extrude cut 75. This is 75. Okay, now fillet. On millimeter is perfect. Again select our whole faces. Make sure only face, not edge. Now click. Now it is look good. Make sure appearance. Fillet. Now it is good. So that's it. I hope guys enjoyed my video and understand my all explain. If you want to more project and more video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.